Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Battle.net installation error step by step. First, let's uninstall the Battle.net app from your computer. Go to the bottom of your screen and click the Start menu. In the search bar, type Control Panel and open it. Inside the Control Panel, find the option called Programs and Features and click on it. Now you'll see a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find Battle.net. Click on it once to highlight it. Then click the Uninstall button at the top of the list. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. Next, we're going to remove any remaining files from your system. Click on the Start menu again and type in this exactly, %local app data, % and hit Enter. A folder will open with a list of many subfolders. Look through them and find the one named Blizzard Entertainment. Right-click on this folder and choose Delete. This will remove any leftover local files from the Battle.net app. Now we're going to do the same thing for another hidden location. Press Windows and R key at the same time on your keyboard and type in %program data % and press Enter. In this folder, look for the Battle.net folder. If you see one, right-click and delete it. Also check for a folder named Blizzard Entertainment. If you find it, delete that one too. These are files that may have been left behind after uninstalling. After deleting these folders, it's a good idea to restart your computer. This helps make sure all the changes are applied properly. Once your system starts back up, we're ready to reinstall Battle.net. Open your web browser and go to Blizzard's official website. The web address is battle.net. On the home page, click the Download for Windows button. This will start downloading the setup file. When the download is complete, open the file to start the installation process. Follow the instructions in the setup window. That's the full process. This fixes most installation errors related to corrupted data or broken update files. Thanks for watching.